Now from Kathmandu is David Geiser. He's from Sweden, but he's been living in Nepal for the last 10 months and has joined the rescue efforts. David, thanks for joining us. Can I ask you, first of all, I understand you've been out and about beyond Kathmandu. What have you seen?
Well, yesterday we took our organization and another organization we went out to one of the villages east of Kathmandu in the Cover district, and what we saw there was total devastation, where cities and villages, 90% of the villages that are destroyed of the houses, and a lot of more than 500 people in these cities and villages, they're living outside, no proper shelter, and so on. So that's what we've witnessed so far when we went out to the countryside.
Right, the UN are saying it could take another 5 days from now to get to some of those more remote areas. Hard to imagine what they're going to have to put up with between now and then. But is it really that difficult to get about?
Yes, it is. I mean, for the place where we went yesterday, we had to go first with our scooters, and then we had to walk for a bit and then take a taxi from there. So that's just one of the places, but talking about the places that are in even more remote areas, it's even harder to get, as the UN are claiming that it will take approximately 5-6 days trekking for some villages that has been affected of this earthquake as well.
Yeah, I imagine for you, you've been, 10 months in Nepal. You know that it's a country that is aware of the fault lines in the region and that this sort of disaster could happen. It must be heartbreaking, if not exasperating, that there's been a general lack of preparedness for this.
Yes, definitely. That's totally true. And also now when it has happened, also how to see the government, how they're handling this situation. I mean, we were aware that there was a lot of like tents and other things that we could need from the airport that has been shipped in, but the government makes it hard for us to get those stuff to bring out to the villages, because it's kind of like a competition, what politicians that want to show the world that they've been helping, and it's really hard. We try to put a lot of pressure on them so we can get out to these areas, but it's not easy when those kind of decisions happen. So even not that they're not prepared, they're also just not managing the situation very well as well.
Yeah, quite. Well, look, good luck with your efforts. David Geiser, thanks very much indeed for talking to us.
Thank you very much.